everyone, this is Pranka Jain. Welcome back to my channel The Life Baker. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button to get notified on my every upload. So guys, today I've made this video on how to study for long hours. Through a social media platform, I asked the students that what is one problem which they face when they are studying. And most of them answered me as they have lack of concentration, there are lots of distractions when they are studying, the use of mobile phones, the work to do at home, and they're not being able to study at a stretch for more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So I thought of making a video on how to study for long hours so that you can use the tips and the tricks when you are studying. So let's get started. So the first step is try to manage your time smartly. Try to allocate that time of the day to studies when there is least distraction and least number of people. Like I'll share my own example. When I wanted to study and I used to live in a joint family, by 7:30, 8 o'clock everyone used to be home. So what I used to do is I used to meet everyone by 7:30, 8 o'clock, and by 8:30 I used to sleep. I used to wake up at around 3 o'clock in the morning when everyone used to be asleep. मॉर्निंग के टाइम पे बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई होती थी बिकॉज बहुत कम उस समय लोग नहीं होते थे, अच्छे से आप कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर सकते हो, यू विल बी एबल टू फोकस प्रॉपरली एंड यू विल बी एबल टू गिव योर फुल अटेंशन टू योर स्टडीज़. एंड इन द मॉर्निंग आई यूज्ड टू गो टू द टेरेस, वहाँ पे भी कोई डिस्टर्ब करने वाला नहीं होता था, तो उस समय वो टाइम मैं टेरेस पे बिताती थी और वहाँ पे पढ़ाई करती थी. तो बेसिकली यू नीड टू प्लान योर डे लाइकवाइज. Try to allocate that time of the day to studies when there is least disturbance and least distraction. So the second tip is plan your subjects wisely. See, in the morning, when you wake up in the morning, you're very fresh, you're very energetic. You should take up subjects which need your more attention, like theoretical subjects you want to learn or something like that. And in the afternoon, when you feel very lazy and dizzy, try to take up practical subjects with some music. With some light music you can आराम से practice those practical subjects. So basically wisely आप subjects को plan करो throughout the day, because now just 2 months are left for your exams. You need to study for 13 to 14 hours. So you need to allocate time very very nicely so that your time is not wasted. तो afternoon time भी use हो जाएगा, morning time भी use हो जाएगा, after tea time इवनिंग वाला टाइम भी यूज़ हो जाएगा, एंड बिफोर डिनर ट्राई टू रिव्यू एंड रिवाइज एवरीथिंग. सो बेसिकली आपको सब्जेक्ट्स भी वाइजली प्लान करना है व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग योर टाइम टेबल फॉर योर स्टडीज. सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज मेक योर सब्जेक्ट्स इंटरेस्टिंग. whenever you are studying, try to make your techniques enjoyable. You can make charts, you can make drawings, you can record audios. Whenever you go out for freshening yourself, you can listen to those audios and remember it. Whatever things you need to by heart, you can walk and read, you can go to the terrace and read, you can scribble and try to memorize things. Basically आपको आपका way of pattern, way of studying interesting बनाना है ताकि आप distract ना हो. Okay, if you keep on reading and reading and reading, obviously वो boring हो जाएगा, right? तो try to use different techniques of studying. Don't use bed for studying, because आप अगर बेड पे बैठ के पढ़ोगे फिर धीरे धीरे आप देखना आप लेट जाओगे and then आपको नींद आ जाएगा. So try to make your study pattern interesting when you are studying. The next step is stop delaying things. ये बाद में कर लूँगा, ये कल कर लूँगा. आपने जो whatever you have planned for that day, you have to execute on that day itself. You have to be very very disciplined when you are studying for your any professional exams. So if you are going to give your exam in 2 months or 3 months, try to stop delaying it. Okay, चाहे आप 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लेकर वो पढ़ाई कर लो, but don't delay it for the next day. You have planned it for that day, do it on that day itself. Stop procrastinating, stop deferring it. Just do that moment or after a few minutes of break, but before that day end. You have to be very very stubborn with your plan. So the next point is know your purpose, know your goal, why you are studying. Make your monthly goal, make your daily goal, your hourly goal to achieve that dream of yours. In fact, when you study for an hour, you should know what you want to study in that hour. You should write that in your diary to know that what you need to complete that day. Okay, you have to find a purpose of doing that. Otherwise, you will find yourself nowhere that why you are doing that. Correct. So if you know your goal, you'll work more harder to achieve that goal, that vision. You need to vision your dream in your mind to work more harder to stop yourself from distracting. The next step is very important. Write your distractions. Every student face it. They are distracted by one thing or the other thing when they are studying. उन सबको सब कुछ याद आ जाता है जब वो पढ़ रहे होते हैं. उनको अपना कल का प्लान, दोस्तों से बातें, their mobile phones, their everything. They remember every sort of thing when they are studying. Okay, try to minimize that. Write your distractions. Whatever thought came in your mind, try to write it down so that you don't do it next time. Okay, and you have to practice it daily. Every day you need to practice that. You avoid distracting yourself and try to focus more and more in your studies. So if you write your distractions, you'll know that these are the things which is distracting me. I need to avoid using these things. Okay, so please jot it down in your paper and avoid doing it the next time. So the next step is fix a study space for yourself. Wherever you study, keep something with you so that जब भी आपको भूख लग जाए, you want to have water or something, it is already ready for you in that place. There are lesser and lesser distractions. There is no mobile phone. There is less objects around you, and like आपका मर्जी आप कहाँ पढ़ना चाहते हो. जैसे आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी इन द टेरेस सो दैट मेरे को पूरे दिन को डिस्टर्ब ना करे. इवनिंग में आई यूज्ड टू कम डाउन, आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी इन माई रूम. जब सब जन आते थे बाय 8:30 आई यूज्ड टू स्लीप. मॉर्निंग आई यूज्ड टू गेट अप. सब सो रहे हैं, मैं आराम से पढ़ सकती थी. आई कुड स्टडी प्रॉपरली आफ्टर 3 o'clock. देन जब सबका उठने का टाइम होता था आई यूज्ड टू गो अप इन द टेरेस. आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू कम डाउन टू हैव माई लंच, माई ब्रेकफास्ट, evening snacks. So basically you need to plan your routine likewise. Plan as if you want to study. You will do everything to score good marks. You will leave no stone unturned to work hard to achieve your dream. Okay, so you need to actually train yourself in that way. Next point is very very important. Train your mind, train your brain. Okay, you need to program your mind in that way only that you want to study. So your mind needs to know what you want to achieve, what is your target, what is your goal, right? If you are driving, you know that you have to drive, so you'll focus completely on the driving seat only, correct? Whatever you do, if you are cooking, your focus is completely in cooking only, right? So when you're studying, why don't you focus in your studies in that way only? So you need to train your mind that this is something which I want to study, this is my goal, I need to work hard. You need to program your brain in that way only so that lesser and lesser distractions come in your mind. And I'm not telling you that it will come in a day or two. Practice will make it. You need to bring it as a habit in yourself. 1 दिन करो, 2 दिन करो, 5 days करो, 6 days अपने आप आदत होने लग जाएगा. When you wake up in the morning, today you wake up at 5, tomorrow थोड़ा और मेहनत लगेगा 5 बजे, फिर देखना 5th day 6th day से अपने आप 5 o'clock पे आपका आँख खुलने लग जाएगा. It habit आने में टाइम लगता है, बट इफ़ यू प्रैक्टिस इट विल कम, राइट? सो बेसिकली आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. यू नीड टू ट्रेन योर माइंड, यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस इट डेली so that it becomes a habit. So the next step is take breaks. Okay, after every 45 minutes of studying you can take 10 to 15 minutes of break. It's okay. जब भी you feel exhausted, जब भी you feel that you are not being able to concentrate, just leave your studies. Take a nap, take 10 minutes nap, 15 minutes, that's what I call power nap. I always used to take. Whenever I used to feel exhausted, tired, I used to sleep for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it's okay. So basically, 45 minutes of studies, 10 minutes of break, it's okay. Evening में half an hour, 1 घंटा कहीं बाहर जाओ, you can go out, freshen yourself, it's absolutely fine. Don't lock yourself completely. You are free to take breaks, but you have to be responsible that whatever you have planned for that day, you need to do on that day itself. Before sleeping, you need to review and revise whatever you did in the entire day. That's what discipline you have to have. The next one is something which I always used to do. I do it till now whenever I have an exam or anything important to come up. whenever I used to feel low, I used to watch documentaries, motivational documentaries. The most common one which I always watched it is The Secret. I have watched it like multiple times. Whenever I used to feel low, that I'm not being able to do, I won't be able to do, The Secret documentary is something which I always adore. This is something which has motivated me always. The law of attraction, the way I used to make a vision board, is all inspired from this documentary only. So it's a must watch. You can also watch it whenever you feel low. And if you few songs which I used to listen to to it whenever I used to bath, when I used to eat, these songs used to motivate me. Any Bollywood songs, Lakshay, Ashaएं, there are few songs which actually motivates you from within, that you need to achieve it. This is something you want to achieve it. You will do everything to achieve that dream. So just fix 2 to 3 songs for yourself which will motivate you. And whenever you feel very low, you can watch documentaries, freshen yourself, and then revive, and then again start studying. The next one is inculcate good habits in yourself. Try to live a healthy life, meditate, yoga karo, exercise karo, eat healthy, junk food कम खाओ, sugar कम खाओ जिससे आपको नींद आए ज़्यादा, sleep well, stay hydrated, inculcate good habits, healthy habits in yourself, so that you don't feel exhausted. You can stretch yourself to studies for long hours, and you can do very good in your exams. Then the last tip is, it's okay to say no. Be positive, be responsible, be happy, have good faith in yourself. And whenever anybody give work to you, just let them know that you have something to study. You have got just few months to give your exams, and this is my plan. I have lots of things left to study, and you won't be able to do that work. You won't be able to go somewhere. You need to let them know. Your parents will understand, your friends will understand, your siblings will understand, but they should know it. So please deliver this information to your parents, your friends, that you have to study, and it's okay to say no. You have to be very positive, you have to work hard, you have to be determined. You will be able to achieve your dream. So guys, that's all on how to study for long hours. I really hope these tips and tricks will help you to sit for long hours in a day and work hard to achieve that dream of yours. This time will never come back. I really want you to work hard, to study much, more and more, and just focus and concentrate on only one dream, your that degree, that thing which you want to achieve. So work hard for that and thrive for it, and you'll be able to achieve success. Thank you so much. If you like this video, don't forget to share it, subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your friends. Thank you so much.